Nitwacokereria na ni ngatho makiria mwiroreri wa Gikuyu TV ni undu wa gukoro unyitanire na ithui kana unyitanire na ithui hari mutamburuko witu wa mohoro ma Gikuyu TV na riu ni guthie na mbere na mutamburuko o ringi tuthie gicunje gitu gia kire ni ati muingi wa gicagi gia Kibibiri kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua ni urokire gutungwo ni ituria kieha kiroko kia umuthi thutha wa andu atano a nyumba imwe kuhirira nyumba nginyagia gukua.
Kuringana na OCPD wa mwena uyu ni ati mwaki uyu utwikire wa gututhuka thaa kenda cia kiroko kuria riu uthuthuria wambikitwo niguo kumenya kihumo kiaguo. Na tugitigana no horo cio wa kieha wigi family yo ya andu atano aria ni nyina mwana ithe wa ciana undu umwe na ciana ithatu cia gatagati ka ukuru wa mieri 3 kinyagia miaka 7 ni horo wina kieha.
Horo wina kieha makiria
niguo
na ti undu muhuthu kuri nginya aria family acio angi
niguo na tugagituma ndumiriri cia macakaya na tugithie na mbere ni ati minister wa ugitiri wa thiini niwe Fred Matiang'i ni agite na giikaro na anyitite mithiini wa ruhonge rwa ugitiri mwena ucio wa gicwaini niguo kwariria ndeto egie ugitiri wa gicigo giki kuria ningi ayanite mwerekera mwiru wegie Disco Matanga akiuga itifati gukorwo igitafanio mathaa makira thaa 5 cia utuku.
Akiaria Matiang'i augite Disco Matanga ici ni ikoretwo iri gitumiro kia waganu na makiria wa unyitani kia hinya na uhuthiri wa dawa cia kurebia.
Disco Matanga ni ndumo iria ikoragwo igikika thutha wa mundu kuhuruka. Haha andu a nyumba yake na arata makifuruja kiharo-ini o umwe kionania tarada yake. No disco ici ni cikuhuka kaunti-ini ya Kilifi o ni thutha wa minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Fred Matiang'i kuruta mukana ni kiria augite disco ici ciaya gukorwo nicio ihumo cia wohi wa dawa ciana cia thukuru na kuria uhuthiri na wendia wa dawa cia kurebia utafanagio.
The challenge we have in the coastal region of our country of this thing called Disco Matanga. This started off, first of all, as a noble, ordinary cultural way of keeping vigil in homes where bereavement has happened. But it has transitioned to become essentially a criminal opportunity or an opportunity for criminals to engage in distribution, sale and distribution of drugs, illicit brews, and so on. The figures we have, the reports we keep receiving from these so-called Disco Matangas of cases of rape, you know, for example, the early pregnancies we have noticed, for instance, in Kilifi County. We have agreed, and this is a decision we have taken as a security team in the region. From yesterday going forward, there will be no Disco Matanga beyond 11 p.m. anywhere in this region. And this is a matter we are going to address very seriously.
Oho Matiang'i ni ugite ati thirikari ni kugacirithia ugitiri mwena wa gicwaini na kurutira mukana ekinai aria makoragwo makiagithia aikari a mwena uyu thayu.
The two that particularly we have looked at the spate of M-Pesa theft cases in South Coast, particularly in parts of Kwale, what happened in Kisauni, and so on. We are paying special attention to those cases. As I said yesterday, I don't want to talk the details about this because as a rule of thumb, when a security operation is going on, we don't talk about it. And we have made very good arrangements to deal with these two cases. The message I want to pass to those criminal gangs, especially in those two parts of Mombasa or coast in general, as I've said, we will not negotiate the security and safety of our people.
Handu-ini ha Gikuyu TV riakwa ni Wambui Bwaga Kibe.
Na tugitigana na icio ciegie kugacirithia ugitiri thiini wa kaunti ya Mombasa tumurike mangini ati aruti wira a thukuru wa ngathi ya iguru wa Githii ni magite na mururungano makienda munini wa vice chancellor wa thukuru uyu atangikira makaya mao uhoro-ini wigie kuongererwo mishara.
Matongoretio ni murugamiriri wa urumwe wa aruti wira thukuru-ini uyu niwe Moses Nyandusi. Aruti wira aya ni maugite ati thukuru uyu kana urugamiriri wa thukuru uyu no fati gukorwo ukimatangikira muno makiria ndeto-ini egie ugima wa mwiri.
Members are in havoc. They go to hospitals, they are treated as if they are people who don't earn any income. We have put our case to management several before that we need an improved and enhanced medical scheme whereby our members can have cards and then they can go to any hospitals and be treated or be attended to without any shame, as if they are people who don't have any income.
Rere thirikari ithiete na mbere na umomori wa miako iria yakitwo hungururi-ini cia njui undu umwe na barabara-ini. Igoti itogeru nirugamitie umomori wa mukawa wa Grand Manoro. Rwe makiria twamukire kuma kuri Wanja wa Muru.
Thutha wa igoti ria Nairobi kuheana marua ma umomori wa mukawa wa Grand Mona uria urekuirwo gukorwo ni ugwati kuri wabici cia urumwe wa kimabũrũri riu ni urugamitio. Mr. Paul Kumar uria ni mwene mukawa uyu ni ahetwo marua ma kurugamia umomori uyu thutha wa gucokia cira igoti-ini inene wiki hituku. Kugerera wakiri wake uria ni Paul Moite, Mr. Kumar ni ugite ati mukawa uyu wa momoretwo o mwena umwe. Mushirithania Mohamed Wolsem, Daniel Musinga na Professor Otieno Odek ni marugamite umomori uyu nginya matuithanio cira uyu. Ngiribotera Gikuyu TV, Jeta Wanja wa Muru.
Gatho cia mwanya Wanja wa Muru ni undu wa gukorwo ugitumurikira riboti iyo igie umomori wa mukawa wa Grand Mano na njira nyandanduku makiria na ngona hau niho tukwamba tuikirie oro hanini tumurike uria wonjoria utari nitugucokereria na ciigie mathako.
Ongekorwo kenda kwaraniria hamwe na ithuĩ twandĩkĩre ndũmĩrĩri nguhĩ kũhĩtũkĩra 0721890311 thĩinĩ wa ng'enda cia kĩrĩu. Facebook nĩ Gĩkũyũ Television na thĩinĩ wa Twitter nĩ TV_Gĩkũyũ. Ndũkegũthiĩ haraya nĩ tũgũcokereria.